So you're thinking of moving to Las Vegas, Nevada? More specifically, Summerlin? And you have a budget in the 900,000s? But you're not sure how much home this will get you? Well, then this video is for you, because we're gonna take you through some neighborhoods and show you 3 homes in the $900,000 to $1 million range, so you can get a good idea of what is available at this price point here in Summerlin. And we're gonna get after it right now. Hi, my name is Mark Pepe. If this is your first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Las Vegas, with so much evolving almost daily. We are passionate about removing the stress of relocating to a completely new city and state. If you're thinking about making that move, whether it be 9 days or 9 months, feel free to give us a call, text, or email. All that information is in the description below. So as I mentioned, we are here in Summerlin, nestled against the stunning backdrop of the Red Rock Canyon and just a short drive from the famous Las Vegas Strip. Summerlin stands out as an oasis of tranquility and luxury in the heart of the Mojave Desert. As one of the most desirable master plan communities in the United States, Summerlin offers residents a unique blend of natural beauty, modern amenities, and a vibrant lifestyle. With meticulously manicured neighborhoods in the form of villages, world-class recreation facilities, and a thriving cultural scene, living in Summerlin is truly a unique experience. First developed in the early 1990s by Howard Hughes Corporation, Summerlin has grown into a sprawling and diverse community, attracting residents from all walks of life. From luxurious custom estates and gated communities to more affordable single-family homes and townhomes with a modern architectural design, traditional styles, and even Mediterranean-inspired villas, you're gonna find a wide range of housing options to choose from to suit almost any lifestyle. You'll see what I mean here in a minute when we go visit a few homes. Summerlin is still growing, with new construction communities being built primarily in Summerlin West, and that is expected to continue over the next 20 years. Whether you're a young professional seeking an active lifestyle, a growing family in search of excellent schools in safe neighborhoods, or a retiree looking for a peaceful retreat, Summerlin offers something for everyone. Summerlin's proximity to the Las Vegas Strip and its booming economy provides residents with ample job opportunities across various industries. Whether you're employed in the hospitality and entertainment sector, the healthcare industry, or the flourishing technology and startup scene, Summerlin offers a diverse range of career opportunities for professionals at all stages of their careers. Despite its many amenities and conveniences, perhaps the most compelling aspect of living in Summerlin is the strong sense of community that permeates the area. From neighborhood block parties and community festivals to volunteer opportunities and charitable events, residents have ample opportunities to connect with their neighbors and make meaningful contributions to the community. If you choose to live here in Summerlin, you'll quickly discover that this master plan community is more than just a place to live. It is truly a community where people come together to celebrate life, build lasting friendships, and create cherished memories. So, with that said, let's go stroll through a few neighborhoods to see what is available in the $900,000 range. Our first stop within the $900,000 range is in the gated community of Tavari, which is located in the Paseos village of West Summerlin. And what I love about this particular community is just how quiet and serene it is. You can see some mountains here behind me, but just a great place to live if you want that quiet neighborhood away from all the busyness that Las Vegas has to offer. This home here listed behind me is for $945,000, and it's 2,576 square feet, which comes out to $367 per square foot. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, has a 2-car garage, and was built in 2016. This home is situated on a larger lot with no rear neighbors, providing beautiful mountain views along with a resort-style backyard, complete with a contemporary saltwater pool and spa with solar heating, a fire feature, and a covered patio. That's an entertainer's dream right there. The great room, or this house has a phenomenal open floor plan. It's perfectly set up, as I mentioned, for entertaining, as the kitchen is open to the main living area. And then speaking of the kitchen, it boasts upgraded flat panel cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast bar and island. The primary suite is upstairs with its own private balcony and is separated from the secondary bedrooms by a large loft. Always nice to have that extra privacy as well. There's also a bedroom with an ensuite located on the first floor, which is ideal for visiting family and friends. This home provides the perfect blend of comfort, style, and convenience, while in impeccable condition. Beyond its natural beauty, Summerlin boasts a wealth of amenities designed to enhance residents' quality of life. The downtown Summerlin Shopping and Entertainment District, which we just came from a minute ago, serves as the community's vibrant hub, featuring a diverse array of national and locally branded retail shops, along with restaurants and entertainment venues. Whether you're craving gourmet cuisine, shopping for the latest fashion trends, or catching a movie with friends, downtown Summerlin has something to offer every taste and occasion. In addition to its retail and dining options, downtown Summerlin is also home to the Pavilion that hosts concerts, festivals, and community events throughout the year. From live music performances to cultural festivals, celebrating the rich diversity of the Las Vegas Valley. In addition, there's also a lot of fun to be had at both City National Arena, which is the headquarters of the Stanley Cup champion Vegas Golden Knights, and the Las Vegas Ballpark, which is home to the Las Vegas Aviators baseball team. I can assure you, you won't be bored living here in Summerlin. So let's go take a drive around this wonderful neighborhood of Tavari to see what you think about it. Our next stop is in the gated community of Skystone in the Cliffs Village in Summerlin South. This home here listed behind me is for $979,000 and it's 3,147 square feet, which comes out to $311 per square foot. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, has a 3-car garage, and was built in 2019. This newer, stunning, modern home was built by Woodside Homes in their popular Portofino floor plan, offering 10-foot ceilings with ample natural light throughout. The primary bedroom and spa-like bathroom is located downstairs, providing that single-story living experience. The gourmet kitchen features white quartz counters with an island, a large pantry, and an extensive cabinet storage that goes all the way up to the ceiling. The second floor features an oversized loft with a balcony that boasts incredible strip and mountain views that you may be able to see over here behind me. There's also a junior ensuite bathroom as well. A generous covered patio overlooks the contemporary finished backyard with turf, including a 3-hole putting green, concrete tiles, and ample space for a private swimming pool. This community is connected to Oak Leaf Park, located right over here behind me, with walking and hiking trails by the gated entry. There is a lot to like about this home and its location. For families with children, Summerlin offers access to some of the top-rated schools in the entire state of Nevada. With a focus on academic excellence, innovation, and personalized learning, the community's more than 24 schools, including 10 nationally recognized private schools and 16 public schools, provide students with a solid foundation for success. From early childhood education programs to rigorous college preparatory courses, you can feel confident that your children will receive a quality education in a safe and supportive environment. Well, let's go take a drive around this great neighborhood of Skystone to get a feel for it. Our last stop in touring homes in the $900,000 range is in yet another gated community. This one is called Kings Canyon in the Red Point Village, which is part of the rapidly growing area of West Summerlin. And what I love about Kings Canyon is just the quiet streets, and also has some spectacular views, as you may be able to see the strip over here beyond me. Just a fantastic, great new community. This home over here is listed for $995,000, and it's 3,014 square feet, which comes out to $330 per square foot. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, has a 2-car garage, and was built in 2023. This brand new, modern, 2-story, tri-point home offers an enclosed courtyard entry, creating a warm and welcoming vibe that you may be able to see right over here. Upon entering through the front glass pivot door, you're going to appreciate the bright and open floor plan, the foyer that leads you into the spacious great room with slider doors overlooking the spacious backyard. The great room flows right into the kitchen, which features an oversized island, a built-in oven, gas cooktop, stunning white cabinets, and an attached dining area. The contemporary wood staircase leads you up to the loft, which is perfect for a flex room and also has a large balcony. The primary bedroom has vaulted ceilings along with large windows and an ensuite bathroom with an oversized shower and bathtub. The covered balcony is the perfect touch off of the primary bedroom as well. Being that this home is brand new, the backyard is an absolute blank slate awaiting your personal touch. You know, this home has an absolute ton to offer. Despite its suburban setting, the one unique aspect of living in Summerlin that doesn't get talked about enough is the thriving cultural scene that reflects the rich diversity of the Las Vegas Valley. From art galleries and museums to theaters and concert halls, residents have access to a wide range of cultural experiences right here in your backyard. The Summerlin Library and Performing Arts Center, located in the heart of the community, hosts a variety of cultural events, including author readings, film screenings, and live performances by local and international artists. There's also the Donald W. Reynolds Cultural Center, home to the Nevada Ballet Theater's rehearsal, teaching, and admin facility. These cultural amenities are just another aspect that makes living in Summerlin a special place to call home. So, let's go drive around this new community of Kings Canyon to see what it offers. Well, this gives you a pretty good overview of what the 900,000s can provide you with in Summerlin. Living here offers a unique blend of natural beauty, as you can see right here behind me again with the spectacular mountain range, along with modern amenities and a vibrant lifestyle that is unmatched by any other community in the Las Vegas Valley. Let me know on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest, what you would rate Summerlin. Let me know here in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it beneficial, so please like and share it. Please also subscribe below and comment if you have any questions or found this video helpful. Also, be sure to check out our other videos on the surrounding areas so you can continue to get a realistic sense of what it would feel like to live here in the Las Vegas Valley. So whether you are moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even schedule a Zoom appointment here in the description below. We can't wait to help you make a smooth and a stress-free move to Summerlin. So, until next time, we hope to show you around town very, very soon.